Well, again, we're here at Live at .next. I'm Mike Barmonde, Product Marketing Manager, and with me, a man that needs no introduction, Rajiv. How are you?
Hey Mike, good. Busy day.
You've been involved in some conversations today?
Lots of conversations today, yesterday, yes.
My marketing prowess is AI.
Yeah.
NVIDIA's been all of a sudden on the scene with us, talking about things and whatnot.
Absolutely.
How do you see NVIDIA fitting in the next little while with us?
I mean, look, NVIDIA is a powerhouse when it comes to AI, and I think for them, they focus a lot on training with their GPUs, but they realize that over time, enterprises need to use AI, and that's going to be largely for inferencing, and they're looking at us as a good partner to help them take their stuff into the enterprise. And so as NVIDIA deploys and generates a whole amount of software, right? They've come up with so many innovations recently. We are actually taking all of that together and embedding that as part of our AI solution and taking it to market as well together. The partnership continues to grow. We look forward to doing more with that.
Well, and I think with that phrase, I could probably create a Rajiv GPT, and it could probably take my job, which is totally fine. I think that would be helpful for you.
Somebody could take my job with GPT, by the way, someday.
I think last question for you. Customers,
Yeah.
right? They're a huge part of .next, a huge part of what we do. Where do you see customers really making an impact with these announcements coming out of .next?
Look, in very simple terms, I think we've had very loyal customers who've been with us on a long journey. You heard from many of them. They've been customers for the last 10 years. And like the announcements that we talk about today are what's going to make us their partner for the next 10 years.
Yeah, and I would completely agree. I think the one thing that really comes to my mind for the future is, I've been kicking around this thing, Nutanix 2.0, right? We start off with virtualization.
Yeah.
Now we're moving into containers, cloud native AI, right? I think our customers are on that same journey. Appreciate you and your time, appreciate everything that you do for us, and
Thank you, Mike.
enjoy
See you guys
your
around.
time.
All
Yeah.
right.